Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm just going to replace something that has been slowly failing on me, and that would be my trunk struts, or shocks, whatever you call it. As you can see, if I let go right now, it's just going to fall. And it doesn't really catch onto at any point except at the very top. So move it down a little bit, still okay, but it will drop, and it's pretty heavy. But where it really fails, you put my privacy cover in. It definitely can't even hold at the top, so it kind of makes it useless. So definitely need to replace that. I'll try to take that out with one hand. Yeah, so if you look closely, kind of where the mounting points are, it's pretty dirty. I don't know if that's because of maybe gas leaking or anything like that that's making it fail. So definitely need to clean that up. And I have the box with me with the new shocks. So, let's get to it. So here's the new part. Let's make sure it is at least the same length. And pretty much looks perfect. So let's get ahead and start cleaning it. If you didn't know, I think you have to just detach these clips and just hit it out of what's holding it in. I just want to see how dirty it is first. Oh, that's pretty bad. So I'm just gonna simply spray some on here. It's not perfect, but should be good enough for now. This was my first attempt at it, so I was just learning at this point. I didn't realize until later how to easily get it off, so I ended up dislodging the clip here. But it didn't really matter since I wasn't going to keep it. And definitely watch out for your head once you pull the support off. From just observing the top part I just removed, I was able to study how to get it off easier next time, and put that into practice on the bottom one here. As you can tell, it was a lot easier once I pushed towards the ends. And once I saw that the clip was out of place, I knew I could just start pulling it off since there wasn't anything holding on to the ball joint. Now finally getting to the installation, it was just as simple as popping it into place for the first connection. When I started working on the top one, I started to struggle a lot more. First, when trying to get into place, I noticed that the socket and the ball weren't really lining up all that great. So I busted out the hammer and tried to hit it down a little bit to make it shorter. But that was pretty dumb since I didn't realize until later that the whole thing acts like a spring. But soon after, I was able to realize that I could just twist the body down a little bit to have it line up. Once that problem was resolved, I was still struggling to push the socket on. So I resorted to trying to loosen the metal clip and hammer it into place. Yeah, as you can see, I totally failed because I had a really hard time trying to push that in, and I accidentally popped the clip off, and I actually can't find it. It fell somewhere and it is lost. So yeah, but at least it kind of stays on, and it definitely does help because once I remove like this stick, it's just holding my trunk up. It's actually working. If I pull it down a little bit, it's actually going up.
by itself, so that's pretty nice so far. So now I just gotta make it on, get to the other side. So yeah, wish me luck on that one.
Let me just clean it up a little bit first before I get back into the action. And now that I am one strut smarter, I can easily take this off the correct way. Attempting to put the top one back in again wasn't as easy as the bottom, but at least it wasn't a complete failure this time. I only used the hammer because I just wasn't 100% sure that it was in there all the way, so I just gave it a few taps. And after giving it some test pulls, it seemed to be sturdy enough to be called complete.
Alright, now that we're finally done, let's check it out. Okay, that starts pretty good. It's pretty strong holding it from right here. You can see from that jiggle, like, yeah, it's coming up with a good amount of force. You can hear it through the car. But yeah, it's kind of nice. Starting from down low, like this high, it just starts to go up by itself compared to carrying it all the way up. But now I just gotta pull it all the way down here just to get it to close. So that didn't sound good. So I think one of the struts fell off. Yep, exactly what I thought. You know, the one that we broke the clip on the left. Yeah. That one's gone, so I think I need to buy another one. So yeah, I'm gonna make a short version of this, so keep a lookout for that. This is still in the works. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.